Yeah? First you shake Barg's root beer, and then after you put it up, you see how much that just went? You shake it more, and then... Not so much fun. See? Just kidding. You gotta keep on going until you're halfway, and then after you just chug it. Went right off my nose, frick! Okay.
See how far it shoots.
Here, close up. Ready? You're gonna shake it a bit more. Not very far. Okay, I'm just gonna run down to those bikes, show the bikes, and then back, and then it'll be ready to... Oh, shook up really well.
It's gonna explode on your finger.
And then you go like this.
It didn't even work.
Damn it, what is this running for?
There.